everybody. Figured I'd make this video for anybody out there interested in medium duty Chevy and GMC trucks. Not a whole lot of videos out there, at least that I've found, showing one of these restored. This was my winter project. I got in the truck actually for free. I was going to the junkyard and I stepped in, picked it up. If you look back at my older videos, you can see the condition that it was in when I got it, which was pretty bad. Big holes in the fenders. Front bumper was bent pretty badly on the passenger side. It was on its second paint job, mud job. It was like a metallic blue paint job that was peeling on. I brought it back to the original medium blue color. This is an air brake truck, Dayton wheels, original 427 truck. It's a 5-yard Daybrook dump body on it. Has a double frame in it. I put on new front mud flaps there. Yosemite sand back off mud flaps. Cleaned up the bed a little bit. Still kind of beat up, but you know, just Rust-Oleum black paint on there. Brushed on. Cleaned the frame in it. Undercoated it. Mechanically, the truck was not too bad. It wasn't running when I got it. It had dead gas in it. It drained the fuel system. New fuel filter. Had the carburetor rebuilt. It was missing the air filter assembly. Got a new one of those at a Summit. The radiator had some pinholes in it. Had to have that rebuilt. It has a 600 CFM Holley on it. I believe these had a governed setup on them that went along with the distributor. At some point, somebody had changed those out, so it's not that governed setup anymore. New headlights. At one point, it had a snowplow on it. I removed all the wiring for that. Got all the lights working. New cab lights. Those are Grover truck tone air horns. Clean the mirrors up. Still have to finish painting the bed here, but get to that someday. Didn't really do much on the inside. Still have to work on this. See, it runs pretty well. Gotta tighten up that belt on the air compressor. Put the horn for you guys. But yeah, pretty happy with the way it came out. And these emblems, if anybody out there is trying to do one of these and they're trying to find these emblems, these were 1500 emblems. And a friend of mine at a local sign shop made up the 6500 and put it in there. I was fortunate enough to have the hood emblems and whatnot still on it. They could be a little bit better, but hard to find. Also has a Spicer 5-speed, 2-speed rear end. Yeah. This over here is my 72 Chevy C30. I'll do a video on that another day though. Added the 427 on the grill here. Alright, thanks for watching.